time is always money. So I don't have no time to wait. So let's just get this to, like, if people would believe, out of my whole collection, this bag is the most used bag. It is horrendous. But this is the money bag, yo. This is the work bag. This is the bag that brings in the dough, that brings in the moolah to pay the bills and to make this work. So I would say kudos to this.
That's your intro?
I mean, yeah, because like I just try to, I don't know, I'm just be talking.
I know.
I just try to understand, like, you could have all this, but yet this is the one that.
But you need a bead bag. You see how it look? This is a bead bag.
This is what? This is it.
That's the bead bag.
This is it. This is it. This is an everyday. Where's my coffee? I need coffee. Because y'all might want to stick around for this, honey. Thank you, darling.
My titties purple, they plastic. I like my money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm back.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you passing by for the first time, my name is Kristen Moore, and here on this channel we discuss everything to do with luxury, beauty, and lifestyle. So for those of you always supporting and continue to support, and thank you so much for the love and support. Hope you guys are doing well. And today, with no further ado, as you guys can see with the title of this video, I don't know why I'm running on my words, but I'm just super duper excited to share with you guys my beautiful bag collection. As you guys can see behind me, this is my custom made wardrobe. I will also place a video below of how I managed to achieve such a beautiful wardrobe. I have a couple finishes to do, and also I managed to get myself some great crystals. So I'm gonna have a how I built my bag robe video, so stay tuned for that. With no further ado, I'm gonna get right into it. So today, as you guys can see behind me, this is my handbag collection. I do have some bag in boxes because unfortunately all of my bags cannot fit in this space, but I do have majority of my pieces that I use and I love to use and I love to see. Waking up to this or seeing this every day is just a great memorabilia for me to work even harder and know that, hey, you know what, I have achieved something here. And despite of what I've been through since 2015, you know, I have a lot to look forward to and building more. The whole dream is to have a wall-to-wall wardrobe with bags. That's the end goal, and hopefully one day we'll get there. But for now, I'm more than happy to share with you guys my whole handbag collection. With no further ado, we're going to jump right into it. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to just show you guys a couple of pieces that I've recently got from each brand, because to go through all of these bags is quite a lot. It's going to be quite a lengthy video, and I don't really want to bore you guys with this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose one of my favorites from each collection, from each brand, and share that with you guys. And also I would then do an individual video of you guys of the collection of the brands. So let's say I'll have my Gucci bag collection, my Chanel handbag collection, and so forth and so forth. So with no further ado, let's kick it off with Hermes. Right, it's a bit of a battle between these two beauties, but I'm definitely gonna say, I think you guys probably might know already the bag that I'm going to choose. It's a battle between the two, so I'll actually pick the two. So with no further ado, as you guys can see, my mini Kelly in the color Vert Cricket in the size 20 silver hardware. This is definitely one of my favorite bags from my Hermes collection in my Kellys. Also, you know, I have to say the big boy, no other than my latest addition to the family, my Hermes Birkin Touch in the color noir and gold hardware. And I just love this bag to bits. I actually put this back on there because I don't want the crop to kind of rub. So I don't know, I'm just very extra careful with her, in the sense of I don't want nothing to happen to her. This is definitely one of my utmost favorite in my Hermes collection. We're moving on to my favorite. this would always be my favorite because it's so dear to me, and all of what I've been through to get this bag, this is still my favorite Gucci. It's very, very, very rare color, and I just love it to bits. Right, I'm gonna go ahead with my YSL. This is my YSL. This is my YSL Sac de Jour. It is definitely one of my favorites. It's leather crocked embossed piece that I got from them, and it's just definitely one of my favorites from my YSL collection. So definitely my to go to at all times, at any cost. And I'm gonna go ahead to Christian Dior. I just love this piece. This is my Christian Dior newspaper print piece by Jean-Paul Gaultier. I know he's not the one that did this collection, but he definitely initiated the paper print in Christian Dior. So this is a collection that I had to have a piece. It's been a piece that I've been wanting to have since Sex in the City in the early 90s, and it was Dior and Daniel Arsham. So yeah, definitely a piece that I love, and I don't have no regrets. This is definitely one of my favorite Dior pieces. I would say this is definitely one of my favorites because of the size, the color, and the lambskin. So I would say this is one of my favorites now. Before I really love the bigger one that you guys are probably more aware of. For those of you that always been on my channel before, I have a video listed on my top 10 bags that I like versus 10 that I kind of starting to lose the fact that I like them. You guys realize here I still have the plastic on there, which I have to actually take off anytime soon because it's ridiculous now. It's been on there from the time I purchased it, so I need to actually remove those plastics now. This is definitely one of my favorite Lady Dior's. Moving on. I know it's kind of weird. A lot of my classics and stuff. I love this Louis Vuitton piece. This is my Louis Vuitton bum bag in the monogram leather. This has to be one of my least expensive but yet most used Louis Vuitton bag, and I love it so much. So much. Reason being, it's so easy to carry, it's so easy to get into, it's so easy to use. It is just comfortable, immaculate, no issues whatsoever. Easy to get into, easy to get out of, fills a lot, takes a lot. I mean, what more can we complain about here, guys? So with this being said, this would definitely be one of my favorites. Favorites would be my Chanel DeVille. I love this bag so much. It is my Chanel DeVille in the highlighted pink. I don't know what this is. Okay, sis. Alright. Okay, let's see you, girl. I still have a lot of stuff in here for some reason. I don't understand. I mean, when I last used her was when I came to St. Martin. I usually use it for travel, but I definitely would try and make a lot of use of it in the summer. This is definitely one of my favorite bags from Chanel. Within my Givenchy collection, of course, another pink bag, and it's also my goddaughter's favorite, is no other than my Givenchy Antigona Mini in the color neon pink. Any leather, not the grainy one, the smooth leather. This bag, as much as the Antigonas is not popping at the moment, it's still always going to be my favorite. Out of all the ones that I do have, this is definitely one of my favorite bags. My favorite to go-tos. And yeah, I just love this bag. I love the size of it, I love the color of it, I love the story behind it, and I would always make sure that this is always gonna be in my closet no matter what, until I get my lovely daughter. and I will always have this cute little bag to pass on to her. So yeah, now on to the next bag. Last but not least for this video, I mean, nobody would understand, like, I'm just being brutally honest. I post a lot with most of the bags that I, go out with or create content with, because what people fail to understand and forget that as a content creator, I think it's very important to put the message out there that it's not always, out and living and doing the best, and living life like doing the best of the best. Sometimes, reality do hit. We do go through things as well as content creators. We do have issues. We do have problems. We have things that you deal with, we deal with as well. But we're just good at either not putting it out there or good at dealing and sorting out things. So with that being said, I just want to make a clear message out there for all of you watching this video. Yes, behind me there's a whole wardrobe of beautiful, desired, most desirable handbags and every girl's dream. But the reality of getting here versus what you guys see, it's a big difference. But it's good to be honest and transparent with your viewers for them to know that it wasn't an easy journey to get here. I am gonna put it out there. I am still paying off some of these. Credit card needs to be paid off. It's not like overnight and it's there, but hopefully one day we'll get there, and I'll be able to just breeze through purchasing a bag. There's a lot that goes behind purchasing a bag. And with that being said, I want to show you guys my most valuable and most used handbag. And the reason why, this baby right here, this is my everyday bag. This is my work bag. This is the bag that have my salon keys, my business, my baby, my everything. She goes with me. She carries everything from my iPad to my laptop, whatever I have going on that day, to meetings, out of meetings. This bag is always with me. And this is my most carried bag. This is a bag that brings home. This bag does it for me. So I'm not gonna not post it and show people what my real bag, the bag, the G of them all, my most favorite bag is reality. It's my most favorite bag. She has a little pocket up here. She has a little clip over here. She has a long handle. So I can wear her like shoulder way. Grab her and go to work. However, this is the reality of things, and this is something that I always see in all these bag videos. Nobody is real enough to post the actual bag that they use on a daily, but I did that. So I set the trend for many to follow. Show me your real bag, girl. Show me the bag that you use every day to go out. Not the one you create content with, not the one you go to events with, not the one you go to invites with, but the one that you grinded. And if any one of your bags looks like this, I'm a hard worker. So with no further ado, I'm going to end this video here today. And I hope you guys found it interesting. Until next time. Bye!
My money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm bagging.